Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your cryptocurrency and Bitcoin taxes using Cointracker and TurboTax step by step for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to report your crypto earnings safely and accurately. So let's dive in. First, let's start with accessing TurboTax. Open your browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website. Sign into your existing account, or if you don't have one yet, create a new account. Once logged in, go to your TurboTax home and select the option to start your 2024 tax filings. Next, we move on to reporting your crypto transactions. In TurboTax, navigate to the federal section, then go to wages and income. From there, locate and select investments and savings, and click Add/Edit for your investments. When asked if you want to upload forms, choose Yes to indicate that you have cryptocurrency transactions. Then select the financial institution or exchange where your crypto transactions originated. Now it's time to upload your tax forms. Click on Let's get your forms to upload all the necessary documents. Make sure you have your 1099 forms or any other relevant tax documents prepared and accessible. TurboTax will guide you through linking your Cointracker account, which automatically imports all your crypto trades, making it much easier to report gains and losses without errors. Cointracker simplifies the process by categorizing each transaction and calculating your capital gains, losses, and cost basis. Once all your forms are uploaded and reviewed, TurboTax will integrate this data and apply it to your federal and state tax returns. Finally, double-check everything for accuracy, especially your totals, and then proceed to file your taxes directly through TurboTax. That's it. With Cointracker and TurboTax working together, filing your crypto taxes becomes fast, accurate, and stress-free, and there you have it. Filing your cryptocurrency and Bitcoin taxes doesn't have to be confusing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions about crypto taxes or need help with any step. We'll get through it together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.